In 3, 2, 1. On August 15, 2021, that is on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji first time introduced the concept of Amrit Kal. But let us first understand what do you mean by Amrit Kal. Well guys, Amrit Kal is a term, Amrit Kal is a vision of new India that is centered around fostering and building a progressive nation Bharat, a self-reliant Bharat and a strong Bharat by the year 2047. With this, a very good morning and warm regards to honorable and esteemed judges and my worthy opponents. Let's make this particular debate the most debateful, discussing controversial, analytical, statistical and photographical at this point. Starting my debate in 3, 2, 1. Honorable and esteemed judges, my name is Divyansh Khanna and I stand before you to address a very pressing issue of our times, that I believe that this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is a step towards Amrit Kal, but simultaneously I also oppose the motion that this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is not at all a step towards police state. So, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji addressed this Amrit Kal, a period of 25 years as a golden period of India, where our Bharat will be undergoing progressive developments, technological development, social development, legal developments, economical developments and so many, and they will make our Bharat a strong global leader by the year 2047. Now coming to the most important agendas of today's debate competition, I will be providing you the statistical, analytical and factual data along with the relevance provision of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 to prove that how my Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 is a step towards Amrit Kal. So, at first, as you can see that I have brought a parrot of this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. This Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita replaces our old criminal justice system, that is Indian Penal Code of 1860. You will not believe, from 1860 till 2023, we all governed by the laws that were made by the Britishers. We all were dependent upon the colonial rules of the Britishers. Our criminal justice system was educated by the British law. But when this particular law came, as the name itself suggests, Bharatiya, it is an Indian-made law that was introduced by Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji. This makes our India self-reliant and Atmanirbhar Bharat. And what is self-reliant and Atmanirbhar Bharat? These are the visions that are mentioned in Amrit Kal. First thing is, by this the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita gains Amrit Kal. The second thing I would like to present you is statistical analytical data by National Criminal Record Bureau. Our National Criminal Record Bureau also acknowledges and recognizes that this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita fosters social equality, economic equality, legal development and technological frameworks by addressing so many relevant provisions of cyber crimes. As you can see, this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita has also addressed and brought so many provisions of cyber crime. I can also give you a proof. There is a Sankalp app in Google Play Store. You all can download from this and you can also get the relevant details from there. Another thing, I would like to present you a picture. I hope most of you know him. He is a former Union Minister of Law and Justice. His name is Ravi Shankar Prasad ji. Even the Ravi Shankar Prasad ji said that this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is basically a citizen-centric legal system. I repeat again, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is a citizen-centric legal system. So I would like to ask one thing to my worthy opponents that say that this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is a police state. Do you still think that? Okay. I think that my worthy opponents will not believe in the statement what Ravi Shankar Prasad ji said, but don't worry. Article 22 of the Indian Constitution. You all know that Constitution is the supreme law of the land. It is above every law. Article 22 of the Indian Constitution provides safeguards to Indian citizens from arbitrary arrest and detention. So tell me, under article, do you still think the police can manipulate the provision of BNS, or the BNS is giving excessive power to police to make it as a police state? Answer is no. Section 47 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 mandates the police to discourse the grounds of arrest and detention. So even if the individual knows his grounds of detention by 47, there is a writ that is present in the Indian Constitution, habeas corpus. Under habeas corpus, they can get justice. At last, I would like to provide you a famous case law, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India 2015. This particular case law that struck down the section 66A of the ITF depicted a failure in the Indian Penal Code. But talking about this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita brought various relevant legal provision by addressing the cyber crimes. Like you can see, there are so many digital cyber crimes and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita has acknowledged that. In conclusion, I have shown you the statistical, analytical, factual data. I have provided you the case law. I have provided you Ravi Shankar Prasad statement. I have provided you the provisions of BNSS. And I would like to conclude that all these things provide that this BNS is a step towards Amrit Kal. And I, Divyansh Khanna, as a proud citizen of India, from the bottom of my heart, strongly says that this Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is a step towards Amrit Kal. Thank you everyone. Signing off. Jai Hind. Well, I think that this 1 minute is reserved for question and answer round. If anyone would be having any question, please feel free to ask. I will be happy to answer your query. Any question, sir?
As regards to BNS is concerned, how you consider that it is purely Indian law?
Purely Indian
You
law.
are saying that it is
Yeah.
simply the Indian law.
Sir, actually, I did not acknowledge that even our constitution is made from various sources. I told that this is an Indian-made law. This was introduced by Amit Shah. And even if we look into that, our Indian Penal Code, Amit Shah addressed that our Indian Penal Code that was introduced by Britisher, it was more biased towards giving punishment rather than justice.
What is the object behind that? Keeping this particular
Yeah.
in place of Indian penal
The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is designed
the ultimate goal,
of this BNS.
BNS.
The-
That is the ultimate
yeah.
goal to keeping this particular.
What I have done research, I have seen that the BNS is shifted towards